Hello, kindred spirits. I'm back to play around with Einstein's equivalence equation. It's become, of course, a popular icon for genius, but we're going to do a little tinkering with it because as he originally defined it, it is confined solely to the material. And what we're looking for is a non-material spiritual definition for these variables. And again, E, M, and C squared are variables. We can make them stand for anything we want to. So let's begin. Matter remains the same. We're not doing anything with that. And matter, of course, is the chair I'm sitting on, the earth we live on, everything physical that we can see with our physical eyes. That's matter. All right. But now the big changes come. E still is energy, but we redefine energy. Again, the physical material definition is the capacity for work or the ability to do work. But how we define energy is the capacity for or the ability to love. All right? The highest, greatest, finest energy, of course, is God or Allah or universal mind or source. That is the unlimited capacity to love. And then we redefined consciousness. All right, C squared. Einstein has it as the speed of light squared, or the speed of light times the speed of light. But C squared for us is consciousness. And the squared represents the duality of consciousness. The push, the pull, the yang, the yin, the electric, the magnetic. So consciousness is a duality. And another attribute of consciousness is instantaneous. So instead of the speed of light squared times the speed of light squared, it's instant, immediate. And yes, it has something to do with quantum entanglement and all that spooky action at a distance that Einstein hated. But that's another can of worms, and we'll get to that later, maybe, if we want to. Anyway, so what we have here is energy. The capacity for love is equal to matter accelerated by the speed of consciousness, the immediate, instantaneous. And that, my friend, is as best we can do to sum up mathematically what happens when the physical body dies, but the rest of the self remains. In fact, I have another little equation I'm going to share with you. I call it the creation equation, and that's for next time. Until then, bye con Dios.